Hi, I'm Jeff Davenport, Executive Speaker Coach and co-creator of the Captivate Virtual Workshop at Duarte Academy. Communicating your ideas and getting others to listen can be really challenging. Being an effective speaker requires specific tools, coaching, and lots of practice. We've coached and studied the world's top communicators and the art of persuasive presentations for almost 30 years. And in this virtual workshop, you'll learn our proven method for making you a more powerful speaker. So what defines a powerful speaker? It means you communicate with comfort, dynamism, and empathy every time you speak. In this 2-day live virtual workshop, you'll learn the signs you need to exhibit to your audience so you'll come across as comfortable, dynamic, and empathetic. Using a 3 to 5 minute piece of content you bring to the workshop, you'll present to your peer groups in breakout sessions and receive assessments on how you're doing across the 9 signs of a powerful presenter. Plus, your expert facilitator will provide you personal coaching to help you take the steps necessary to improve over time. You'll be challenged to work hard, try new delivery techniques, and build on your successes, but all that hard work will pay off. By the end of the workshop, you'll have a better understanding of what it means to deliver with power and how you can deliver more effectively with every presentation you face. Don't waste another speaking opportunity. Sign up today for the Captivate Virtual Workshop and transform the way you communicate, move your audiences, and inspire them to take action.